There are 4 good reasons to choose Hidden Sound. Brilliant sound. Natural, perfectly balanced 360-degree studio quality sound with sonic attention to detail, which is no less than impressive. Easy to use. Plug and play in no time via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Play your favorite music fast and comfortable from your smartphone, TV or PC. Affordable. Arguably the best offer on the market for comparable sound quality thanks to the innovative tech production process. And iconic design. Our uniquely thin speakers in minimal geometric design, bringing iconic, timeless works of modern art to your home.